How you doing, everybody? Thanks for stopping the channel. Wolfie's car projects and more. We're dealing with the spoiler. We just cut off the spoiler that was pretty messed up, and we got the new one right here. Painted it all. Got it on eBay for a good price. Took 2 months and something to get here, but it's here, so we gotta get to it. Just buying the screws, the bolts, screws. So we gonna mount them now and see how it looks. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we are, the car without the spoiler, as you can see. Let me just raise it up a little bit. Yes, the previous spoiler, well, I'll just show it to you real quick. They filled it up with some type of foam that I use. I'm pretty sure those are used for house rooftops and stuff. And yeah, they try to make sure that worked, but it didn't. So yeah, that's pretty bad. We have to break a little bit of the bottom part, as you can see. It's pretty bad. And the screws are pretty rusted. So yeah. Now we got these new ones. The spoiler, the new one actually has less space for it, so these will be perfect. I was thinking about putting these rubbers to make sure there's no water leak in the trunk. So yeah, we're gonna start working with this, but I'm gonna try out, see if everything fits right. I'll be back in a bit. Peace. Alright gentlemen, the first attempts were a little bit rough. I had to open up a little bit more of the hose because it's not straightened out as we thought. But I think we have it now. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, before you guys burn me out in the comments, yes, when I was recording, I didn't measure the distance and I cut off my face on the video. So I know right now you'll see the video and it's gonna be with my head, my face not there. So I do apologize, and thanks for stopping by the way. So here we go. Wrap this up. Y para mi gente latina, gracias siempre por el apoyo. Nada, como vieron que el spoiler viejo está chocando. Por lo menos esto llegó, se tardó en 2 meses en llegar, pero llegó. Vamos a ir cuadrando los tornillos, las tuercas, para entonces ir poniendo. Ya tengo las gomitas, tengo todo para que no pique en el baúl. Y vamos a echar para adelante. Un paño para que no guaye después lo que uno pega. Put some material here, some soft material here so it won't scratch scratch anything, actually, even the spoiler. So let's see how it goes. This one down. Be sure to grab this. Look to the other side. I guess I gotta pull a little bit the spoiler. Even though I already made the holes. A little more stretched out, but as long as it fits. Okay, it's looking good there. bottom of it. That'll be another thing. A little bit higher than I just expected. Yep. Check the other one. Same thing. Kind of rough when you're trying to do everything and it doesn't square out as you want. Pull it up. These things you don't want to do sometimes. Get in there. This one's gonna be a little rougher though. Yep. We'll be right back. Gotta keep working on that. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we finally got the hose to actually go where we want to go. So yeah, so I'm gonna put the first one, the top ones. Where is my carrots? And put the first ones on top. And we'll go for the bottom ones. Then you gotta stretch it just a little bit for it to make it go here, but it makes it. Just right here. Bottom ones now. Just pull it just enough. Get in position. Now put them as square as possible. Okay, there you go. Let's go about time. This doesn't have to go as hard as people usually think. Just gotta make sure it's tight enough. It won't fly out. It's not going nowhere. Once you guys do the same. Yes. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, moment of truth. Square it up and then over here. Okay. Alright, here we go. Moment of truth. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Ahí lo tenemos. Ahí estamos. Ahí estamos. There's a spoiler. Brand new. No movement. It's good to go. I know it was a short video, but I appreciate the support as always. We're doing the project little by little. Now it looks better. Got the little fender bender. But yeah, thanks for stopping by as always. And thanks for enjoying the content. And I look forward to seeing what else I can do with it. I already have some ideas. Got the intake. I might buy it this week or this month. Get a little bit more horsepower in the car. You guys know how it is. So remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and next time I'll probably see my dad around because he said he wants to help me out. So thanks to him, I got motivation. See you guys soon. Para mi gente latina, gracias siempre por el apoyo, gracias por para un rato en el canal. Espero que les haya gustado el contenido que estoy tirando poco a poco. Nada. Ya este es otro proyecto tumbado que hacía falta hace tiempito. Y nada, gracias a Dios y gracias a ustedes. Espero que tengan un poquito de paciencia y seguimos para adelante. Y ahora voy a comprar un par de cositas para el motor, como el intake. Para dar un poquito más de caballaje, ya tú sabes. Y nada, después también mi padre aparecerá por ahí para ayudarme. Que él dice que quiere estar aquí conmigo. Y nada. Él me motiva, vamos a echar para adelante, ¿ok? Se me cuidan, Dios los bendiga a todos y si les gusta el contenido, ¿sabes? Budget, un proyecto de budget porque estoy poco a poco, porque hay que ser realista, uno tiene su trabajo, tiene su diario, pero nada, y seguimos poco a poco, con favor de ustedes, se me cuidan, pasen buenas tardes, recuerda dar un like, subscribe, que si deja un comentario abajo, a ver qué más quieren ver, se me cuidan.